Hey YouTube, Brandon from RC Flyer here. Check out these new wheels by Endura. They're called the D19s. Unbelievable. Look at how awesome they are. Gold, and I've got the platinum as well. Guys, I got the inserts, brass inserts as well, and they do fit. These wheels are RC4WD tires. So they do fit the tires. These are the 39 millimeter. I forget the model, but anyway, guys, look at that wheel. Wow. Easy install. They're deep dish. They're way different than the D18s. Here's the track. I'm doing some modifications. Again, I told you guys I'm doing some modifications because I got to. I made this track originally for the Axial 24s, and now with the Axial SCX30s, it's a better build. So I need to make it so there's better lines for it. So let's try this for a little bit and see how she does with these brand new 39 millimeter tires. Probably gonna flip it here. That was not a good line, but we'll see with the bigger tires if we can save it. These tires have good grip, so maybe we can save it. What a save! We're gonna go a different way. That's not where I wanted to go, but that's all right. These tires are great. They are doing a rubbing. I do have the 26 millimeter Endura shocks on this, so that should help a little, but again, look at that articulation. These little trucks, guys, if you haven't tried these, just get them. They're cheap, $100 just for the truck, and then sky's the limit. I guess you can probably put about $400 or $500 into them, but that's all right. I'm still working on the track. That's why that thing's that little wood. I'm still working on everything. All right, let's go through the gap. Oh my God, this thing is, oh, these tires are great. I have a lot of brass on this, guys. You've seen previous videos. Check out the link. I'll link some of the videos to this rig. This thing is my most capable out of the 4 that I own. So I'm running a Furatech system in here with the Furatech radio as well. So yeah, it works pretty well. I like these big tires on this rig. Although I think they'd look better on the Jeep, but right now I put them on this, and I've got more wheels coming. The D19s, guys, check them out. I highly recommend them. Whoop, hit a tree. Highly recommend. And again, guys, whoop, that's a bad driving. It's probably because I'm trying to talk and drive. All right, I'm gonna say why I'm changing this. I could never get up this section straight up here with the SCX30, so I'm making it so I can. Same thing here, so I can make it a little bit more accessible and make it more fun for me. So I'm going to try the new section. I've never tried this. I just started putting this together, so I'm going to try going down it. I'm probably going to fail, but that's all right, guys. That's what we do in this sport. In this hobby. Shouldn't say a sport. Oh, see? And it worked out fine. Tires are working pretty good. A little bit of rubbing. This rock will be covered when I finish all this and add the cement. So we're probably going to have to help it a little because again, it's a work in progress. I just added this. You always want to test before you finish everything. So if you guys are wondering, that's cement, guys. So the final layer is cement. So the test is going very well for the new section, so I'm very impressed. I'm very impressed with what I see. I do like these tires too. A little slippery. Let's see if we can get up that. Yeah, no problems there. We're gonna test another section right now. I'm gonna have to back it up. There we go. This section we already went over, but this is the articulation section that I made for this, so you just see how good this truck performs. Go over the bridge, and we're going to go into a little mud pit. So we're going to take a left and go over the mud pit if we don't crash first. Again, I'm not used to these bigger tires. They're performing very well, and I do like them on this rig, but I think on the Jeep they're going to look a lot better. But let me know in the description what you guys think. Alright, this is a hard section right here. That's why I put this little section in. Not changing this section at all. Oh, these tires are money. Let's hope we don't flip. Go straight till that rear tire grabs, and then we go back up the hill. Oh yeah, look at that. This is a good run, guys. I'm gonna go back over. I know we've already been through this, but we're gonna speed it up a little. We've already been through this section. We'll speed this section up so we can get to another section of this track that we haven't hit, which is bad driving on my part again. Hit a tree, but we're gonna go down the hill and we're gonna go back over. When we go back over, we're gonna try going down this hill nice and slow. This FuriTech system is awesome. I have both in some of my trucks, the FuriTech versus the Endura, and I'm an Endura guy, but the Endura is not as good as the FuriTech. All right, we're gonna go up and over. This is the section of the tunnel, the first tunnel I built. If you guys haven't seen the build series, this is the first tunnel. So what I have to do is go over here so I can see the lights, so I don't mess everything up. And there he is. It's coming out the tunnel. Sorry if you can't see it. I have to have a good vantage point. And there he is, going over the rocks. So we'll see slow over the rocks. We'll go back down if I don't flip it. There we go. And we're going to go into the mud pit. Back it up. Go right into the mud pit. See how these tires work. I like these. I like this setup. These tires and wheels are perfect. We get back up. And then we can do this, guys. We can go right up this. I think we started the video with this, but we'll try it again if I didn't. Again, this is going to be a longer video because this thing is rocking, guys. And oh, come on. Oh, yes, this truck is killing it. One more section I want to try, which is a newer section. I'm going to show you guys in a minute. We'll go back down this. This is kind of a repeat of what we already did. We don't need to go through the other tunnel, and we don't need to do the rocks. But this section right here, guys, just added this. It is unbelievable. Watch this truck perform. Go through the loose gravel, and then up here, got to pick the right line. Hopefully I do for this video. Nope. And of course, I hit this all the time, and now I am not showing you guys what it's capable of. All right, let's try from the other side. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna hit this section like this. I gotta fix that a little bit because this is a good section. You'll see. So you go up this gap. Check this gap out, guys. Look at this gap. These trucks are so capable. And yes, there's a lot of money into this, guys. This is not a stock by any means. But look at that. And then you got this nice section here. And I'm not sure if this truck can do it, but we're gonna, if we don't crash it, we're gonna go down this. Hopefully it doesn't flip. Nope. And then this is the next section. A work in progress, guys. Don't judge this. I gotta change some of this out. Yeah, this is not. But the rock section, look at the articulation, guys. Look at this. I'm still working on this rocks too, but this truck is just good. And there's my guy right there, the tree. And we'll try the hardest part, but I'm still working on this. I need to modify this track some more. Let's see if we can get up this steep incline. Last section to try. A little bit of slipping. A little bit of slipping. Come on. Back it down. Try a little bit better angle. Let's see if we can get up this. There we go. Nope. Alright guys, there it is, the brand new wheels, tire setup for the K10 SCX30. Again, in the description, let me know your thoughts. And if you like this video, hit that like and subscribe. Till the next one, thanks for watching.